So this video covers creating a new sales order and linking it back to a previous one that we've done. So we have a sales order that we created a sales invoice for. We had to credit it. We want to create a new document and correct that entry and reference back to the old one. And so the easiest way to do this is to go out and select our posted sales invoice, the one we want to correct. So I look at posted sales invoices here. I take a look at one I want to correct. This one is to the right company, for example. I can open this document up. I can see what's here. I can slide down and look at the items that are on the line. It has a single item number here, quantity of 1 for this conference table. So if this was an invoice that I had done, I created a credit memo and credited this out, and I want to make corrections to it. The easiest way to do that and get an automatic reference to it is basically to go out and create a new sales order. So I'm out to sales orders. I'm going to create a new one. I'm just going to put in a customer number here because I want to show you how this will actually change this back to the right company, because that's the one that was actually on the order that we did. So I've created a sales header here, and then I'm simply going to go to Actions, Functions, Copy Documents. And now what I want to do is navigate to a posted invoice and the one that I want. This happens to be that first one that was on the list. If we dive into here, it's the one that's here and it's to the right company. So I'm going to select this. Then I have a couple of options that I can do here. One, I can include the header. So if I click this, this will replace this header to this particular customer with the customer information from the right company. I can also have it recalculate the lines, which means it'll go back out and it will actually find current pricing information for this item and so on and so forth. So if I click yes here, it says, do you want to change the sell to customer? So it's going to change this for me. Do you want to change the customer? I'm going to say yes. So the header of this document has now been replaced. My customer is now the right company. And the good thing about this is that any information that was on that original document is now brought over here. So my original document dates and posting dates and order dates are all here. If I had an external document number, it would be on here, salesperson's code. So this basically just duplicates everything for me from the perspective of that posted sales invoice. In addition to that, it brings in all of the lines that are on that invoice, and then I can go out now and make modifications to these, corrections to it, and it references my original posted invoice number for me. So this gives me a reference to my original document, allows me to very quickly pull in all the header information, all of the line information, make corrections to it, make additions, and then create my new invoice. This copy document function works if I create a sales invoice. I can do this for purchase orders. I can copy quotes. I have this functionality from almost every document within Business Central to go out and create a sales order and then bring in another sales order. I can bring in a sales quote. I can bring in a sales invoice. So I can select almost any document type that I want to and then import things from the same module. So if it's a sales document, I have the whole gamut of sales, posted sales documents and various things that I can bring in. It doesn't even have to be posted. I could have an open sales order and copy another sales order into it and just basically duplicate what's here. So it's a very powerful function.